If you want to build your own AI agent that can search the web, run tools, connect to Discord or Telegram, and even automate tasks, then OpenClaw is one of the most powerful open-source AI agent frameworks available right now. And the new OpenClaw March 24th, 2026 version just released. Welcome to AI Factory. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install the new OpenClaw March 24th, 2026 version on Windows step by step, so you can get your AI agent running locally in just a few minutes. On my channel, I've already created a complete OpenClaw tutorial series, including how to install OpenClaw on Windows and virtual machines, how to deploy and manage OpenClaw agents, how to install and use OpenClaw skills, how to connect Discord, Telegram, and WhatsApp, how to use OpenClaw free tokens, and even how to run OpenClaw with local LLMs so you don't pay API costs, etc. So if you want to build powerful AI agents completely from scratch, those videos will help you go much deeper. But in today's video, we'll focus on the fastest way to install the newest OpenClaw March 24th, 2026 on Windows and get everything running correctly. Let's jump right in. First, make sure Git is installed on your system. If it's not installed yet, follow these steps to install Git first. Install Git. To check whether Git is already installed, open your terminal application. On Windows, you can use either the command prompt or Git bash. My terminal indicates that Git is not currently installed on my Windows system. Step 1. Go to the official Git website at gitscm.com and download the Git installer for Windows. Step 2. Open the Git installer you just downloaded and run the setup. Keep clicking Next through the installation steps until you reach the end. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open your command prompt and type git bash to confirm that Git has been successfully installed. Note: make sure to open a fresh command line window before testing your Git installation. Type git help to confirm everything is working and to view the full list of Git commands. If you already have Git installed, you can skip these steps. Then open Windows command prompt or PowerShell and run the following command to install OpenClaw. PowerShell CIRM OpenClaw AI/install PES1x. This will install the latest OpenClaw version, currently March 24th, 2026. When prompted, press Y to confirm that you understand the installation risks. Next, choose Quick Start for the setup process. Now select your LLM provider. In my case, I will choose OpenAI, so I'll enter my OpenAI API key. For the model, I'm selecting ChatGPT 5.4, which is the latest available model. Next, you'll see the option to configure channels. For now, you can skip this step. I have separate tutorials explaining how to connect channels like Discord, Telegram, and WhatsApp. For the search provider, choose Brave Search API. You can go to their website and apply for a free API key. For skills configuration, you can either add skills now or later. Some useful ones include Claw HubGit Hub and other available integrations. For the node manager, select NPM. When asked about Google Place's API keys, choose No. Next, OpenClaw will ask how you want to hatch your bot. I selected OpenClaw TUI, but you can also choose the web interface if you prefer. Now open a new tab in your browser and enter 127.0.0.1:18791. You will most likely see an unauthorized message. This is normal. To fix this, simply run the following command in your terminal: OpenClaw dashboard. This will automatically open the OpenClaw web dashboard in your browser. From here, you can start interacting with your bot. In the chat section, you can directly talk to your AI agent. The Overview tab shows the current status of OpenClaw and system components. The channel's page displays connected messaging platforms. The Instances tab shows all connected clients. The Sessions tab displays active connections. The Usage page provides statistics about API usage and cost. The Cron page shows scheduled tasks and their execution history. The Skills page lists all installed skills and integrations. And finally, the Nodes tab shows the paired nodes connected to your OpenClaw network. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.